Welcome to Nacogdoches, Texas. This isn't just any town, it's Texas' oldest town. And let me tell you, it's bursting with charm. We're talking rich history. We're talking vibrant art. And the food? Oh, the food is incredible. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, a foodie, or just looking for a unique getaway, Nacogdoches has something for you. Come along as we explore this captivating blend of old and new. Get ready to discover why Nacogdoches should be your next travel destination. Echoes of the past, unveiling centuries of history. Step back in time with me as we wander through Nacogdoches. Founded in 1779, this town has seen it all. It's a treasure trove of stories, each more captivating than the last. Start your journey at the Cado Indian Mounds State Historic Site. Here, you can explore ancient burial grounds. Imagine the lives of the Cado people who thrived here centuries ago. Next, head over to the stone fort. This replica of an 1840 structure is like stepping into a history book. Picture early settlers seeking protection within its walls. And don't miss the Old Stone Fort Museum. It's housed in a beautiful building from 1902. Inside, you'll find fascinating exhibits showcasing Nacogdoches' past. As you stroll down the streets, admire the historic homes. Many date back to the 19th century. Each one has a story to tell, whispering tales of the families who once called them home. Take a moment to soak in the atmosphere. Feel the presence of the past mingling with the vibrancy of the present. A tapestry of colors and creativity. Nacogdoches' vibrant art scene. Nacogdoches isn't just about history. It's a haven for artists and art lovers alike. Get ready to be blown away by the creative energy pulsing through the town. Start your art adventure at the Cole Art Center at the Old Opera House. This beautifully restored 1902 opera house is now a hub for visual arts. Explore thought-provoking exhibitions and let your imagination soar. But the art doesn't stop there. Venture into the heart of downtown, and you'll find yourself face-to-face with incredible murals. Local artists have transformed ordinary walls into vibrant masterpieces. Each mural tells a story, reflecting the town's culture, history, and dreams for the future. Looking for unique treasures? Nacogdoches has you covered. Explore charming local galleries and studios. You'll find everything from paintings and sculptures to pottery and jewelry. Chat with the artists, hear their stories, and maybe even take home a one-of-a-kind piece of Nacogdoches. A symphony of flavors. Savoring Nacogdoches' culinary delights. Get ready for a culinary adventure, because Nacogdoches is a foodie's paradise. From down-home southern cooking to international flavors, this town has something to tantalize every palate. Start your day the Texan way with a hearty breakfast at a local diner. Indulge in fluffy biscuits and gravy, crispy bacon, and perfectly cooked eggs. Don't forget a side of grits for the full Southern experience. For lunch, treat yourself to some of the best barbecue in Texas. Sink your teeth into tender brisket, smoky ribs, and juicy pulled pork. And don't forget the sides. Mac and cheese, coleslaw, and baked beans are the perfect complements to your barbecue feast. As the sun sets, Nacogdoches comes alive with even more culinary delights. Choose from a variety of restaurants serving up everything from Italian and Mexican to Asian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Whether you're craving pasta, tacos, sushi, or falafel, you'll find it all in this vibrant town. Where history meets progress. Nacogdoches' growing community. Nacogdoches is more than just a tourist destination. It's a thriving community with a bright future. The town has experienced steady growth in recent years. Its population is now over 33,000, a testament to its appeal as a place to live, work, and raise a family. But what drives this growth? For starters, Nacogdoches is home to Stephen F. Austin State University. This renowned institution attracts students and faculty from all over, bringing a youthful energy and intellectual vibrancy to the town. The university also plays a vital role in the local economy, providing job opportunities and fostering innovation. Beyond education, Nacogdoches boasts a diverse economy with key industries in healthcare, manufacturing, and tourism. The town's commitment to progress while preserving its heritage makes it an attractive destination for businesses and residents alike. Adventures for every explorer. Unveiling Nacogdoches' top attractions. Get ready for an adventure, because Nacogdoches is packed with attractions for every interest and budget. History buffs, nature enthusiasts, and thrill seekers will all find something to love in this charming town. And the best part? Many of these attractions are completely free. For a taste of the great outdoors, head over to Lake Nacogdoches. This 2,200-acre lake is a paradise for fishing, boating, kayaking, and picnicking. Cast a line and try your luck at catching bass, catfish, or crappie. Or simply relax on the shore and soak in the serene beauty of the water. If you're traveling with kids or just young at heart, be sure to visit the Nacogdoches Railroad and Toy Museum. This whimsical museum showcases an impressive collection of model trains, antique toys, and railroad memorabilia. Watch the miniature trains chug along the tracks and let your imagination run wild. And don't forget to snap a photo with the giant teddy bear. Indulge in luxury. Upscale experiences in the heart of Texas. Don't let Nacogdoches' small-town charm fool you. This town knows how to do luxury. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a relaxing retreat, or a taste of the finer things in life, Nacogdoches has something special in store for you. Treat yourself to a stay at one of the town's charming bed and breakfasts. These beautifully restored historic homes offer a unique and intimate lodging experience. Wake up to a gourmet breakfast, relax on the porch swing, and enjoy personalized service that will make you feel like royalty. For a truly indulgent experience, book a treatment at a local spa. Indulge in a massage, facial, or body wrap. Let the skilled therapist melt away your stress and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Nacogdoches. After dark. Experiencing the city's nightlife. As the sun sets, Nacogdoches takes on a new kind of magic. The city comes alive with music, laughter, and the clinking of glasses. Whether you're a night owl or just looking for a fun evening out, Nacogdoches' nightlife scene has something to offer everyone. For a taste of local flavor, head to one of the town's lively pubs. Grab a seat at the bar, order a cold beer or a handcrafted cocktail, and mingle with the friendly locals. Enjoy live music, from blues and country to rock and folk, and let loose on the dance floor. If you're a fan of the performing arts, catch a show at the historic Texan Theater. This beautifully restored 1930s theater hosts a variety of performances, from plays and musicals to concerts and comedy shows. A timeless escape awaits. Return to the heart of Texas. Nacogdoches, Texas, is more than just a destination. It's an experience. It's a journey through time, a celebration of art and culture and a culinary adventure. Whether you're seeking history, relaxation, or just a change of pace, Nacogdoches has something to offer everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to discover the magic of Texas's oldest town. Nacogdoches is waiting to welcome you with open arms and a heart full of Southern hospitality.